Midea has relentlessly adhered to a philosophy that balances change and constant in its last 50 years of development. Eventually grows to be a world-leading industrial group specializing in home appliances and HVAC systems. Change refers to the pursuit for creativity and excellence in scientific research and products, while constant speaks of the company's steadfast adherence to the spirit of innovation and persistency to win recognition for its professionalism. Commercial air conditioner has made several pioneering breakthroughs in large tonnage chiller technology. Each breakthrough is a brilliant testimony to the spirit of innovation. Innovation creates brilliant and lasting results. The Chongqing manufacturing base in Midea commercial air conditioner has a 99,000 meter square production workspace. It was built with a total investment that exceeds 600 million won and includes production lines for centrifugal chiller, screw chiller, and complementary IDU products. All workshops are equipped with internationally advanced manufacturing equipment from DMG and Doosan and boast a number of top internationally graded laboratories. It has the largest domestic water system and online testing platform. AHRI approved and Asia's most comprehensive centrifugal compressor performance test center and the largest chiller performance test center in China. Rigorous manufacturing processes and tests are performed on all water chillers before delivery to customers to ensure that the chiller has a consistent operating performance for as long as 30 years. Science breakthrough, ever-changing creativity. 2015 was when the MC high-efficiency inverter falling film centrifugal chiller made its epic birth. This unit distinguishes itself from its industry counterparts with its outstanding performance. Artwork that is among the finest. The intellect of hundreds of engineers and the virtuosity of experienced technicians are needed to manufacture a chiller. Let's start with a steel plate. Starting from when the steel plate is cut, each plate requires a different machine for cutting due to their different thickness. A German flaming machine is used for plates thicker than 20 millimeters, and the plasma machine is used for those thinner than 20 millimeters. After the plate is cut, it will be rolled and welded, and these processes greatly impact the quality of key components like condenser and evaporator. The plate must be rounded to an exact shape, and cylinder welding demands the same exacting standards. The welded cylinders are sent to the X-ray room to be inspected for any flaw in the joints before they're deemed good enough to use. The Chongqing base has a number of internationally graded machinery and tools from DMG Mori, Doosan Original Boring Mill Work Center, and Campro Gantry. The parts manufactured at the base are produced to meet the highest processing standard of IT01 within a range of 0.01 millimeters. High precision burnishing greatly enhances the resistance of these parts to abrasion, corrosion, fatigue, and damage, and thus lengthens their service life. Ultimate assembly for the perfect technique. Everybody in the workshop at Chongqing is a perfectionist. The compressor is central to the centrifugal unit, just as the regulating mechanism is central to the compressor. During the assembly, technicians continuously polish and measure the vanes, just to make sure the clearance between the base of the vanes and the inner wall is below 0.03 millimeters. This pursuit for perfection aims to produce a precise regulation of refrigerant. Once the above work is done, a dynamic balance detection test is performed on the core rotor. The detection must meet the highest international G1 standard, namely, the unbalanced mass less than or equal to 500 milligrams, and the core part rotor is linked to vibration, stability, and reliability of the unit. Balance detection. In addition, all core parts of a compressor are subject to Zeiss coordinate measuring machine (CMM) measure. The measuring instruments provide a degree of precision of 2 microns. This same precision helps to reduce parts abrasion and prolong the machine's service life. In assembling the compressor in the MC high-efficiency inverter falling film centrifugal chiller, screws of different sizes are matched with different torques. For example, the locking roller needs to be installed with an accurate torque of 25 nanometers, and the vane a torque of 75 nanometers. Stable, reliable quality of Midea commercial air conditioner starts from the torque on screws beyond just any lip service. Lifting and matching the evaporator, condenser, and compressor is the last step in the assembly of the MC high-efficiency inverter falling film centrifugal chiller. Technicians carry out the extremely difficult pipe welding and installation of valves and electric control panels in strict accordance with the instructions provided. Craftsmanship that is rigorously tested and constantly assessed. Midea commercial air conditioner must also carry out 48 performance tests on the assembled machine. The vibration amplitude of the MC high-efficiency inverter falling film centrifugal chiller must be 0.1 millimeters or lower. At such amazingly low amplitude, even a coin can steadily remain on the compressor or evaporator without falling off. The noise test must comply with the international Grade A muting standards. The noise tester inspection is performed at a distance 1 meter away from the unit. The average decibel should be below 80, which is the level that allows people to hear each other in the machine room. The vacuum test imposes a less than or equal to 150 PA requirement, far beyond the international standard. Less than or equal to 500 PA. All the above rigid tests combine to prove the outstanding performance in the MC high-efficiency inverter falling film centrifugal chiller in terms of an energy saving, high efficiency, stability, and reliability. Finally, the unit, after a long assembly and testing process, is subjected to pre-delivery baptism. First, high-precision polishing smoothens the body surface. Then spray painting coats an aesthetic, durable, and protective layer to the exterior. An insulating layer that is produced using stringent processes helps to transform every detail of the unit into a perfect embodiment of quality. It is only after such enduring and demanding processes that the centrifugal chiller can be loaded on the van to start its 30 years of reliable, efficient service. Every year, more than 1,000 chillers are dispatched from the Chongqing base of Midea commercial air conditioner to the world, and these reach users across the globe with the most reliable, effective HVAC solutions. We believe that we can win the market and consumers' confidence only with innovations. Therefore, we are committed to carry on with innovations, develop new technologies, change industry patterns, and be the role model in creativity as we deliver reliability and quality.